Sari stars, how are things going on in your sari world? I'm Lakshmi and today at Kalpavastram I'm very delighted to bring to you a beautiful and spectacular collection of Kanjivaram silk saris. All the saris I'm going to show here are all hand woven. They are all with pure zari and they are in a riot of beautiful, fantastic colors. We begin with a grand and classic design of Vanasingaram. Now, Vanam means forest and Singaram is beauty. So, Vanasingaram means beauty of the forest. This is aptly named because if you see the body of the sari, you will find that there are motifs of elephants, peacock, tiger, deer, birds, right? So, all these creatures of the jungle, they are all shown beautifully on this sari. Now this sari is done in thread work in a beautiful shade of a lavender grey purple kind of shade, and the borders have beautiful zari and the motifs are darbar paint motifs on the border. This is the grand pallu of this majestic sari, and you can see there is a grid of motifs here all done in zari, and then another band of zari here which has diagonal lines, and then another row which has the same grids as here. This is the sari in all its splendor, the beautiful body with the Vanasingaram motifs and the grand pallu in a deep, rich purple. This sari comes with a blouse fabric like this in the same color as the pallu. It's a very deep, rich purple, but you can pair it with a golden tissue blouse to elevate the beauty of the sari further. This is our first sari of the day. Bright and beautiful is what you can say for the sari. This sari is in a beautiful color of orange. It's a beautiful orangish shade and it's a short color, slightly a mix of a little bit of red with orange. This is the grand body of the sari and you can see majestic Annam Chakram buttas all over the body done in golden colored sari. And these are the beautiful borders and you can see elephants, you can see pakshi and then you can see temples. All these motifs adorn this border. This is the pallu in all its glory and you can see Vangi motifs here, you can see Mayil Chakram motifs here and you can see some more Vangi motifs here. So this is a very beautiful sari and this sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same orange as the sari is, but you can pair it with an ivory blouse or a golden tissue blouse or a purple blouse, a deep rani pink blouse. All these will make the sari look even more beautiful. This is our second sari of the day. We have for you now a beautiful and elegant Kanjivaram silk sari in thread work. This sari has no zari and it's in a very subtle pastel green shade. This is the body of the sari and you can see that the body has lines running like this in blue color with veldari kind of motifs all over the body. And the borders are in a beautiful combination of pink, blue and green and they have pakshi motifs and they have diagonal lines here. This is the beautiful pallu of the sari. The pallu again has pakshi motifs and it has diagonal lines and Vangi motifs and the colors come together very beautifully in the sari. The blouse piece of the sari is a beauty of its own. It's in blue and it's got small threadwork buttas. So this sari is completely done in thread and it's very easy to wear and it's a very comfortable and very pretty sari. This is our third Kanjivaram silk sari of the day. A beautiful, breathtaking Kanjivaram is what I'm going to show now. This one is in a beautiful short color of pink with orange mix. It's a dupe charm shade. So when you wear this and step out in daylight, sunlight, the colors will just shine through. This is the beautiful body of the sari and you can see it's a dupe charm or dual toned sari. There is a little bit of pinkish tone to it, there is a little bit of orangish tone to it. And the body has beautiful Annam Chakram buttas in gold zari all over the body like this. Now the borders are in a arakku color or a pinkish maroon and it has got small beautiful paisleys here done in zari. And then there is a row of Arai Madam motifs and there is a green selvage which totally highlights the beautiful sari. This is the breathtaking pallu of this majestic sari. You have a row of tree-shaped motifs, then you have a row of diamond motifs and then you have yali motifs. So all these motifs adorn this very beautiful sari. This sari has a blouse fabric in a deep pink and when paired with this sari, it will look very beautiful. This is our next Kanjivaram silk sari of the day. This yellow threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari is just perfect for weddings and occasions during the summer months. The body of the sari has checks like this done completely in thread in a reddish color like this. And the borders have zigzag bunky motifs and Rudraksha motifs in a combination of reddish and green. And there is a beautiful pretty orange selvage here which highlights this beautiful sari. Now the pallu of the sari is done in the same colors as the borders, and you have diamond motifs and then you have bunky motifs all done completely in red. This sari has a blouse fabric like this with beautiful pretty buttas, and when paired with the sari it will look very beautiful. You can also pair this with a green blouse or a red blouse or an orange blouse. This is our next Kanjivaram silk sari of the day, a threadwork Kanjivaram in yellow. A very subtle and understated Kanjivaram. This one is in a blush pink, or you can say a beigeish pink kind of color. The body is plain like this and it's got narrow zari borders, very narrow stripes of zari. But what steals the show in this sari is its beautiful pallu, and the pallu is in a rich brown shade like this, and it's got beautiful parrots with meenakari. You can see the meenakari work in pink and the zari work on the parrots, and there are parrots on the pallu which make this sari simple yet absolutely stunning. The blouse piece of this beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari is in the same rich brown as the pallu, and it's got the same cute parrot motifs in meenakari in pink and zari. And when you pair this beautiful blouse with this beautiful sari, you're sure to make a statement. This is one special pick we have for you today. Dhoop Chhaun saris are something you find in Kanjivarams, and they are very appealing and very beautiful because depending on the lighting, they look little different, each time you trade them. So Dhoop Chhaun saris are my absolute favorite too. So here we have for you a beautiful Dhoop Chhaun sari. This one is in shades of blue and green. You can see the rich play of colors on the sari, and it's an absolute delight to see the sari. The sari has checks like this in green all over the body, and the borders are in a fresh, beautiful green, and the borders have Rudraksha motifs on them. Now this beautiful sari has a green pallu in the same color as the borders like this, and this pallu complements the sari in a very beautiful way. The blouse piece of the sari is in the same green as the pallu. So this combination of short blue and green makes the sari an absolute delight. A beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari with checks. Checks are smart, elegant, sophisticated, and they make a statement whenever you wear them. Now this Kanjivaram silk sari is in deep purple, and it's got all over checks like this in a pinkish shade, and the borders have motifs of Rudraksha in green, and there is a pink selvage here like this which makes the sari even prettier. This is the beautiful pallu of the sari, and the pallu has beautiful Rudraksha motifs again done in a combination of green and purple. This sari has a contrast blouse fabric in pink with green threadwork buttas. This is a very pretty purple threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari, and it's an absolute delight. Our exquisite and grand collection of Kanjivaram silk saris is available on our website www.kalpavastram.com. You can purchase these saris directly from our website. We have mentioned price, description, details of the fabric, details of the color, the motifs, the length, the width, etc. In case you still have any queries, please feel free to reach out to us on our WhatsApp number 9769971513. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care. Bye.